If you are planning to learn about AI agents, then this video is for you. Google recently announced they are going to organize a 5-day course for AI agents, which will be very intensive, and this is completely free. You just need to register and then join. The course will start on November 10 and it will end on 14. So that means it's almost 1 week, right? 5 days means 5 working days. That means 1 week course. And it's still now registration is open. You can register anytime. But I'm not sure whether you'll be able to join it or not, because when it will be closed, nobody knows. And they also give you the idea how this course is organized. They mentioned like is the people who will actually join over there, they have this type of things: daily assignments, Discord discussion, daily live stream, and capstone project. So they are going to do this thing. That's why they mentioned as intensive work. And they also try to give us the idea what will be covered in this course. On first day, they will discuss about the agents introduction and architecture of different agents. Then day 2, they are going to discuss about agent tools and how details how these tools are actually we can use. Then day 3, they're going to discuss about the session memory management of this type of tools. Then day 4, they're trying to focus on logging, tracing, evaluation, and matrices, and so many things. Basically, they are trying to show you how these agents will work and what is the quality of the work. And day 5, they are going to teach you like prototype to production, and that's it. So basically, this is definitely a good course, and there are a couple of questions are there. If you want, you can check those things. Like here, which is very important. You can, if you click here, you will see how much is the program cost. They mention no cost. All you need a account and compatible Google AI Studio account. That's it. Make sure to register your phone number when setting up your like this account to your so you are ready for event week, and that's it. So in this way, basically, you can learn a very good course related to AI agents, and this is organized by Google. So definitely it will be very helpful. I'm not sure how much it will be helpful for your job life or to get a new job, but at least you will get some idea or you will learn something from this course. So that's it. The course registration link I will give you on the video description. If you wish, you can join from there.